What's up, guys? It's Chrissy Angel. You already know that. Today is a Saturday, and I am making moves with the family. I'm currently at a car dealership. I've never been to one. And yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just accompanying the family, like I said. So I'm gonna just take y'all with me around today, cause yeah. So, hey guys, I look crazy. Say hey, Ma. We are currently in a car. This is a car dealership, right? A car dealership. I've never been in one before, so this is interesting for me. Y'all see the lady in the back trying to get in the camera so bad. But I got my phone on the tripod and I'm holding it just in case y'all think why it's so wobbly. But look at the cars. It's nice in here. And the cars, what? Yeah. I'm legit in heaven right now. Like, this is really my weakness. I love snacks and drinks and stuff. And I've never been to a car dealership, so this is amazing. I don't even know which one I'm gonna get. Which I think, well, it's gonna be too late, but still, I'll decide. Hey guys, excuse this dirty mirror, but this bathroom is so ew. I am in the bathroom. I just had to get away for a second. I decided to get me a chocolate milk. This is what I'm drinking. Y'all like my case? Okay. I'm being annoying. Always sleeping. Guys, it's raining. But we are outside, as you can see, looking at the cars outside. These cars are so nice. Like, I'm so mad. I need to get my license like ASAP so I could work on getting me a car, because having this one is tedious, taking the bus all the time, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Feel me? Yeah, Ma. She came outside.
You have the smart key, so if you have the smart key here, all you have to do is press the button and it'll open up.
These are some nice cars. Finally leaving. We are on the road. Got the new car. It's beautiful. But the day is not over.
Proceed to the route.
We had to stop at the house earlier, and I didn't catch when we were even in the house. But we're back on the road now, headed out. It is 6:22. The day is not over, so continue to be with us on this beautiful Saturday. Hey guys, all right, so we're finally at the mall. Took us forever, but we're finally here. We just parked the car in somebody else's spot, so I'm feeling real frisky right now. Wait, is that the
Take it out
word?
the car.
Yeah, it's in my pocket. I'm going to we about to just go get something because it's the weekend. But yeah, come with us into the mall. The baby's up. Her father is pushing the stroller, but join us. So we are finished in the first store. I got my
Second
refund. No, I'm saying everything. I got my refund from the first store because we ordered a pair of sneakers and didn't get them last week. So I got my little refund. I got the baby a pair of sneakers. And then we just finished at the second store and I was able to get me a cute pair of sneakers. I haven't gotten sneakers in forever, so this was my Mother's Day gift to myself. But we are off to another store or maybe another mall. I don't know. But y'all are coming with us, so stay tuned. Time to go. So we're in the second mall now. Just got another gift for Mother's Day. Looking at more sneakers now. This store is nice. But yeah, we're not done. The day is not over yet. Okay, guys. Ew, I don't know what that was with my tongue just now. Don't even mind me. But the mall, the second mall now, is closing. It is now after 9:30. So it's time to go bye-bye. Whoa. We are officially done. I got Mother's Day gifts. I got me a couple things. Oh my God, my face looks so oily. And I got my best friend some panties. I don't know if that was too much information. I don't know. But anyways, we are gone. It's time to get up out of here. So now, since the mall is all closed up, we're trying to find our way out of here because we came through a store. That's where we parked on the other side. But all right, later. Well, see y'all in a bit. I had to use the light from the little mirror thing. My face looks so oily. Oh my gosh. But we found the car. We are now headed back home. It is almost 10 o'clock, so we have been out literally all day. I'm tired, but I kind of want to just stay up and play the game. I'm starving too. I ate a couple hours ago, but that clearly wasn't enough. But I hope that your day was productive. Don't forget, today is Saturday. But when you guys see this, it'll most likely be Sunday. Probably. I don't know. But guys, stay tuned because the video is not over. And
Turn left, then keep right to merge onto Parkway South.
yeah, we mad for all y'all. But see y'all in a minute. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want, baby. Alright guys, so it's later than we thought and you guys can barely see me. It's really dark, but we are finally home. We are taking the bags and stuff out of the car, putting it into the house. So I'm just gonna finish up this video because we are home. It is after, I think it's after 12 o'clock now. So I'm about to just unwind, put the stuff in the house, shower, eat, probably watch a movie, and fall asleep because I'm tired. Baby's asleep, so that's a plus. So like I said, I just wanted to end this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for spending my Saturday with me. I love you guys so much. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And yeah.